Hey campers, ready to get lit? Your campsite, that is. Today, I'm going to be walking you through our new and improved Luno camping string lights. These little lights have been designed from the ground up to glow up your campsite. Hang them around your camp kitchen, inside your vehicle, or set the mood for a night under the stars. A few things I love about these are the magnetic pouch, the anti-tangle cords, and 7 lighting modes. But let's dive into all the glowing details so you'll see why you'll love them too. Alright, first off, let's talk about the star of the show, the lights themselves. The lights come in a 20-foot anti-tangle cord, so you can spend more time vibing at the campsite and less time untangling. The light emits a warm glow that doesn't flicker, so they look pretty in all your social media videos. Make sure to tag us at luno.life. On the strand of lights, there are several suction cups that you can use to attach to your window or any panel. Simply give it a quick wipe, flick, and stick. To secure the end of the string lights, we've integrated a loop that allows you to use a carabiner to attach it or loop around the hood. And finally, the lights feature 3 brightness modes, low, medium, and high, while also having 3 modes, steady, breathing, and flash. Steady is exactly how it sounds. Breathing slowly dims and brightens, and use a flash for party mode. Next, we're going to talk about how to power the lights. The lights come with a USB-C rechargeable battery pack that'll keep your lights lit for 8 hours on the highest setting. Lastly, let's talk about the durable little pouch that holds these lights. The pouch is 2-sided and made of tough materials, so you don't have to worry about tossing it around. The front is semi-transparent, so you can use it as a reading light or a night light. We're calling it lantern mode. On the back, there's a hidden magnet, so you can stick the pouch anywhere that's metal. The pouch also has more looped options for securing it to your bag or hanging it up at the campsite. The snap loop allows you to easily attach it to things like your grab handles, trunk hinges, or a cargo hammock. For a more secure attachment, like to the outside of a backpack, you can slip a carabiner through the strong paracord loop to ensure it doesn't pop off while traveling. We're sure these little lights will bring warmth and vibes to your campsite, but you may end up wanting 2 or 3 more. We hope you enjoyed that product walkthrough. For more information, check us out at lunolife.com or our socials at luno.life. Happy camping, and we'll see you out on the trails.